Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to embed Google Slides or a Google presentation directly onto your Weebly website. This is incredibly useful if you want to showcase presentations, portfolios, or educational content without requiring visitors to leave your site. First, head over to Weebly.com and log into your Weebly account. Once you're in, you'll see your home page. Look at the left menu where you'll find the website option and click it. Underneath, you'll see Edit Site, so go ahead and click that. Now you'll need to choose which website you want to edit from your list. Once you've selected it, look at the right side of the screen and click the Edit button. This will take you into the editor page of your website. Before we continue with the Weebly setup, we first need to get the embedded code from Google Slides. Open your Google Slides or Google presentation in a separate tab. Once you have it open, click on File at the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, click on Share. This will give you several sharing options, but what we're looking for is Publish to Web, so click that. A dialog box will appear with two tabs. Make sure you select the Embed tab, then click the Publish button. Google will generate an embed code for you, which we'll use in just a moment. Now let's go back to the Weebly editor page. At the top menu, make sure you are on the Build tab, as this is where you'll add and customize elements on your site. Focus on the left side menu and find the embed code element. This is the tool that allows you to insert custom HTML into your website. If you can't find it right away, simply click on Show All Elements to expand the full list of available options. Once you've found the embed code element, simply drag it into your website wherever you'd like the presentation to appear. Click on the element you just added and you'll see an option that says Edit Custom HTML. Click it and a text box will appear. This is where you'll paste the embedded code for your Google Slides or Google presentation that you copied earlier. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a Google presentation onto your Weebly site, making your content interactive and accessible to all your visitors. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.